In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Today we present lecture number 60, which covers verse 137 of Surah Al-Baqarah. This verse addressed the true guidance lies in true belief. Up to this point, we've covered the first 136 verses of Surah Al-Baqarah in concise, meaningful lectures. If you're new to the channel and want to understand the Quran deeply, I highly recommend listening to the 15 introductory lectures and all lectures from Surah Al-Fatiha to this point, so you can maintain the proper sequence and understanding of the Quran. Let us now begin with verse 137.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. فَإِنْ آمَنُوا بِمِثْلِ مَا آمَنْتُمْ بِهِ فَقَدِ اهْتَدَوْا وَإِنْ تَوَلَّوْا فَإِنَّمَا هُمْ فِي شِقَاقٍ فَسَيَكْفِيكَهُمُ اللَّهُ وَهُوَ السَّمِيعُ الْعَلِيمُ.
And then if they come to believe as you believe, they are on right guidance. And if they turn away, then quite obviously, they have merely fallen into opposition to the truth. Allah will suffice you for protection against them. He is all-hearing, all-knowing. This verse beautifully emphasizes that true guidance lies in believing as the Prophet and his companions believed, in Allah, all his prophets, and revelations without discrimination. If others share this sincere and complete faith, they are rightly guided. But if they turn away or pick and choose, then they have chosen to oppose the truth. Allah reassures the Prophet and us that we should not fear opposition or rejection, for Allah alone is sufficient to protect and support the believers. He hears every slander, knows every heart, and will deal with those who oppose his path. This verse builds confidence in the heart of every believer. Stick to the truth, and Allah will take care of the rest. Alhamdulillah, we have completed lecture number 60, covering verses 137 of Surah Al-Baqarah, including its translation and interpretation. Insha'Allah, in the next lecture, we will begin with verse 138. May Allah grant us the ability to understand the Quran and act upon its teachings. Keep seeking and spreading the truth. See you in the next session, Insha'Allah, and Allah Hafiz.